Hi, I'm Zoe. Today we are going to learn the plateaus of the world. First, what is plateau? A large high area of flat land is called a plateau. So there are three types of plateaus: dissected plateaus, tectonic plateaus, and volcanic plateaus. First, dissected plateaus. A dissected plateau is a plateau area that has been severely eroded such that relief is sharp, and tectonic plateaus are formed when mountains are formed, and volcanic plateau is produced by volcanic eruption. Now we learn the major plateaus of the world, and we start from Asia, the largest one. This is Tibetan Plateau. This is not only biggest in Asia but also in the world. This Tibetan Plateau is called as roof of the world. And in India, we find two plateaus. This is Deccan Plateau. This is considered as oldest plateau in the world, and Deccan Plateau is bordered by Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and Vindhya Satpura range. And this is the second plateau. This is Malwa Plateau. This is bordered by Vindhya Satpura range and coastal plains. And in Pakistan, we find this is Potwa, and in Iran, this is Iranian Plateau, and this is Anatolian Plateau. And in China, we find this is the lowest plateau, and in Mongolia, we find the Mongolian Plateau, and in Russia, we find the Central Siberian Plateau. And in Europe, we find two plateaus. This is Meseta Central. It is bordered by Pyrenees and coastal plains. And this is Masset Central. It is located in southern France. And in Africa, we find this is Tedmite, this is Tasli, this is Dros, and this is Katanga, and this is East African Plateau, and this is Ethiopian Highlands. And in North America, we find this is Columbia Snake Plateau. It is bordered by Rockies and Cascade ranges. And this is Solfatara. This is the smallest plateau in the world. And this is Colorado Plateau. It is bordered by Rockies. And in Mexico, we find the Mexican Plateau. And Mexican Plateau is called as mineral store. Many minerals are found in Mexican Plateau. And Mexican Plateau is bordered by Sierra Madre Occidental and Sierra Madre Oriental. And this is Edwards Plateau. And this is Piedmont Plateau. It is bordered by Appalachian Mountains and coastal plains. And this is Ozark Plateau. And in Canada, this is Laurentian Plateau. And in South America, we find this is Mato Grosso. This is Brazilian Highlands. It is bordered by Sierra Madre Montiguera and another mountain ranges. And this is Arctic Plano. It is bordered by Andes Mountains and coastal plains. And this is Patagonian Plateau. It is bordered by Andes Mountains and coastal plains. And in Australia, we find this is the Western Plateau. It is called as Western Plateau because it is west to Australia. And we find ocean plateaus. There are approximately 184 ocean plateaus. So from that, this is Muscaric Plateau. So we have completed the plateaus of the world. Thank you.